Phasor Legacy is about respecting the past and improving on it. Advantage number 1, easier drilling. Specifically, improvement number 1 is the ease of drilling with an improved gear ratio, like riding a bike uphill, allowing quicker turning. Advantage number 2, strong connection. Improvement number 2 is connecting bits via quick connect, so no more unintended detachment of the bit lodged in the skull occurs. To engage bit, rotate it without pulling blue sleeve back until it seats and flat portions align. Only now, pull back blue sleeve and the bit will easily travel back and engage, allowing blue sleeve release. Ensure bit is locked inside and cannot fall out. To disengage, simply pull blue plastic sleeves back and release bit. Improvement number 3 involves powerful anti-plunging stoppers. Building on 30,000 cases of our Phasor electric drill, the drill stop with set screw can be first placed very proximal via the quick connect bit end and tightened. The drill stop extension can then be rotated to achieve desired skull depth, placed over the bit, touching the actual skull through the incision, allowing drilling. The set screw with stopper can be used to backstop this extension. With our ability to offer just about any drill bit diameter for any EVD or ICP monitor, since we can make it ourselves, your convenience is unparalleled. And our full Cranial Access Kit with prep, drapes, instruments, sutures, and more, a surgeon favorite. You can even add our electric drill driver to combine with Legacy in full kit, together called Phasor Complete, at an unparalleled low price by making it in the US, by our own team at our own facilities, striving for the lowest manufacturing and sales costs, maintaining reliable availability despite Cranial Access Kit shortages over the years. Check out our other products combining past and future for drills, subdural evacuation, fiducials, footplate, and more at PHASORhealth.com.